Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Go. You are watching automatic car driving and parking tutorial part 1. First off, starting the engine. Before starting the engine, make sure that the gear shift is set to park and the handbrake is engaged. Then start the engine. For cars with push button engine start, we need to apply brake, hold, then press the button and the engine will start. Next is to check and apply SMS. First on SMS is to check and adjust the seat. Adjusting the seat requires that we could push the brake in full while seated and in driving position. Second on SMS is the mirrors. We need to adjust the rear view mirror, then check again while seated. We should be able to view the whole rear window. And then the side mirrors. Check the left side to view 80 to 90% of the outside view, and then only 10% of our side of our car. Then the right side, same, 80 to 90% of the outside and only 10% part showing the side of our car. Third on SMS is to put on the seat belt. So that's our SMS. We need to check and adjust if needed our seat, mirrors, then put on seat belt. Next is our steering wheel. On steering wheel, our guide is our watch. We have 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. So we're gonna hold the steering wheel on 9-3 and upper and lower. Upper and then level is on 9-3. And we have also our thumb position here. So that's the right way of holding the steering wheel. The steering wheel can be maneuvered in 2 ways. One is called the push and pull. So if we need to turn to the right, we need to push on our left hand, then pull on our right hand. So push, then pull. Push, then pull. Push, then pull. Push, fall right already. Take note of this level and returning back to center. So push, then pull, push, then pull. So once it leveled once, continue, push, then pull, push, then pull twice. So that means our steering wheel is already on center. Our wheels are on straight. So turning left, push on our right hand, pull on the left hand. Push, then pull, push, then pull, push, then pull, push, then pull, push. Fall left already. Take note of this level. And returning our steering wheel back to center. So once, we need twice to make steering wheel back to center. Push, then pull twice. So that means our steering wheel is on center already. So making this faster, going right, we need only to take note on how to center back our steering wheel. So once, twice, so that means straight, going left, fall left, take note of this level, once, twice, so twice on level, that means our steering wheel is straight. The other way is called the hand over hand. So the same, we need to take note of this level. Then turning right, we need to push on our left hand from 9 to 3, then take from 12, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So full right, take note of this level, return back our steering wheel on center, count the number of levels once, then 12, 12, 12, twice. So now our steering wheel is on center. Our front wheels are now straight. So turning left, push on our right from 3 to 9, then take from 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, then full left, take note of this level, return back our steering wheel once, we need twice to return back our steering wheel back to center. So that's twice. So now it's level. Our front wheels are now straight. Now doing it faster, this hand over hand. Turning right, we need to take note only of this level in putting back our steering wheel back on center. So twice, that means center. Turning left, fall left, take note of that level. Once, twice, now our steering wheel is on center. Next is the signals and lights. For road safety, we should always indicate our intentions to move right or to move left by using our signal lights. Push, that's our signal right, then turn it back. Then pull, that's our signal left. So we have also our lights. So turning it once for our secondary lights, then turning it again, that's for our headlights. Then turn it back to turn off. And we have also our flasher to get the attention of other drivers, to let them pass, or when we ask to give way for us to pass through. Flipping the signals is just by the tip of our fingers. So while driving and holding our steering wheel, we just flip, push and pull for these signals. And then on the right side, we have also our wiper controls, so we can just explore that another time. Underneath is our pedals. So our left foot have the footrest there, and our right foot is in charge for the two pedals, for the brake and accelerator. So brake pedal and accelerator pedal. So our right foot is rested on this floor mat to easily switch between two pedals, brake, accelerator, brake, accelerator. Next is our gear shift. On gear shifting, we need to remember the 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, our hazard. 2, the gear shift. 3, our handbrake. Let's start with our number 2, which is the gear shift. But it's still locked. The lock will be released once we already applied our brake. So we will apply brake, then hold, then change gear to R for reverse or D for drive if we want to go forward. Then our number 3 is to release the handbrake, but we need to hold our foot brake. So holding the foot brake, release the handbrake. That's our 2-3 combination in moving forward. So moving forward with our gear shift, sit to drive, we release the foot brake slowly and the car will move forward. Then apply accelerator if we want to accelerate. Then on stopping, when we arrive on our destination, apply brake slowly, then full stop, change gear, sit to park. That's number 2. Then apply handbrake. That's number 3. Then we can now release our foot brake because we already applied our handbrake. So that's our 2-3 combination in moving forward and stopping after moving forward and parking the car. On reversing, we need to apply the 1-2-3 combination. First, we need to apply brake, then hold, then apply 1-2-3 combination. 1 is for our hazard signal, turn on the hazard signal, then gear shift, sit to R for reverse, that's our number 2, then number 3, release the handbrake. So that's our 1-2-3 combination in reversing. And on our dashboard, we can notice that our left and right signals are blinking. That means our hazard signal is on. And the alarm means that there's an obstruction at our back or we are near to a wall. So reversing, we just release the foot brake and our right foot will stay on the brake pedal. Apply brake if needed, then release brake while we are looking at our rear view mirrors and side mirrors in reversing or moving backwards. Then full stop when we are done reversing, Then apply our 1 2 3 combination. So 1 is to turn off our hazard signal, then change gear to drive if we will move forward, or if we're done with our parking, shift the gear to P for park, then apply handbrake. Press only the button if we want to release the handbrake. Now we are ready to hit the road and proceed with actual driving lessons. Just continue watching on the next part of our tutorial videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.